so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the chat widget inside of your client portal. Now, this is a really good thing to be able to do because the client portal is a centralized place for your clients and your members to access everything from courses to communities, invoices, contract, billing, subscriptions, affiliate dashboards, and so on. And of course, you can choose which of those things are actually available in your client portal. But when someone logs in and they have a question about any of those things, they will of course want to be able to reach out to you quite easily. If they can't do that, then it's going to create a bit more of a frustrating experience. So having a chat widget on that screen allows them to reach out to you without having to jump around the place or go anywhere else. Then we'll bring it straight into your conversations inbox where you can respond to it alongside everything else just as easily as you normally do. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to set this up in the next couple of minutes. So let's hop into the laptop. Once you're in HighLevel, you will want to go to memberships on the left-hand side. And then you want to make sure that you're in the client portal area at the very top. And then in hovering over this, you want to click on the settings option in the drop-down menu, which should then bring you to a page that looks something like this. On this page at the bottom, you're going to then see Chat Widget, which is where we want to go. And on this page, it's going to look something like this by default. Now, there's really only two things that you need to do on this page. First of all, you need to choose the chat widget that you actually want to use in your client portal. The great thing with HighLevel is that you can create multiple different chat widgets of all different sorts. So you could create a chat widget that is specifically only for the client portal if you wanted to. Or you could create or use the same chat widget that you already have on your website or that you're using elsewhere. Either way, it's up to you. All you need to do is click on this drop down and select the chat widget that you want to use from here. Click on confirm, and then you want to select the areas of the client portal that you want this widget to be enabled on. So if you only want it to be enabled on, say, the affiliates dashboard page, then you could just select that option. If you wanted it to be enabled on all of the pages, then you could select all of the options and then click on save. Once that is done, you can actually go to your client portal straight away and find that your chat widget has now appeared. So let me just hop over there now. And you'll see my client portal is looking a little bit bare because this is just a demo for this video. But in the bottom right-hand corner, we can indeed see that my chat widget has appeared and it's good to go. So now when someone's in here, regardless of what they're doing, if they need help with something, they have a question, they need to reach me for some reason or my team, then they can pop a message in here and do just that. Again, you can configure the widget itself in the chat widget settings. There's lots of different options there for how you can have the chat widget configured. And you can play around with that in your own time. But hopefully this has been a useful video showing you how you can get that chat widget into the client portal so people can reach you if they need help when they're doing whatever they need to do in here. So I hope this has been useful. My name is Jonah, and I'll see you next time. For more videos like this one, make sure to check out the Content Army playlist here on YouTube, or if you prefer reading, head over to HighLevel's blog. And also make sure to check out the help documentation for more guidance on the feature covered in this particular video. The links for all three of those things are linked below.